Namaste friends, I am Satish Menon, a practicing astrologer, spiritual speaker and a life guide. Wishing all of you a very happy new year 2021. In this video, I present the planetary forecast for each moon sign for the year 2021. Kindly note that these forecasts make use of the Vedic system of astrology based on your moon sign, taking into account the transits of other planets in different houses. This is a generic forecast. For an individual horoscope reading and detailed forecast for the year 2021, you could visit my website www.asksatishlifeguide.com or mail me at satishlifeguide@gmail.com and share your birth details. In this video, I shall be covering the 4 moon signs Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer. For forecasts related to other moon signs, you can find the link to the video in the description box below. Before going ahead, do subscribe to my channel for future forecasts and updates. Do like and share the video with your near and dear ones. So, let's begin with each of these signs. Aries sign. For Aries, the major planets Saturn and Jupiter transit the 10th house, while Rahu and Ketu transit the 2nd and 8th house respectively. Work-wise and money-wise, Saturn-Jupiter transiting your 10th house will focus on career. This year will provide mixed results professionally. Saturn introduces delay in work. More effort will be needed. During the first and the last quarter of the year, there can be challenges from seniors at workplace regarding performance. For some of you, change of location at job is possible, whereas for some of you, there can be situations where you may have loss of reputation too. The months April to September are comparatively better. Appreciation for your work, recognition will all take place then. Gains will happen as Jupiter transits in your 11th house of gains. Since Aries is owned by Mars and Saturn is arch enemy transiting the 10th house of career, it is advised to let go of egoistic approach at workplace and avoid problems. Rahu is in your 2nd house of income, so it signals that you be careful regarding your financial investments and do not jump into quick money schemes. You could be trapping yourselves and your investments badly. There can be heavy and unnecessary expenditures during the year. The 2nd and the 3rd quarter will be good related to matters of money too. Family-wise, the first and the last quarter of the year will not be favorable regarding family or married life. See, misunderstanding with family members and spouse may develop during this time. Your aggression will further complicate the situation. Try to stay calm and think before you speak. The 2nd and the 3rd quarter of the year shall be good period for home and family matters. Some of you may even have a change of residence, while for some of you certain auspicious ceremony or functions can take place at home. There will be lot of improvement in looking at life at a greater spiritual depth because of Ketu's placement too. This is a good period to be involved in charitable causes. The only flip side here is that your spouse could have health issues during this particular period. Coming to health, this year will have excessive stress for you at work and therefore you could experience tiredness and fatigue. Some of you may be prone to injuries too. During the period from June to July, be very careful with your back. Pain related to back and legs is foreseen. This of course depends on the placement of other planets in your horoscope. Taurus sign. For Taurus sign individuals, Saturn and Jupiter will be found transiting in your 9th house, that is Bhagyasthan, for most part of the year. And Rahu, the planet of illusion, Maya Karak, transits your 1st house, and Ketu, the planet of detachment, transits your 7th house. Rahu in 1st house can give you substantial ego and aggression, especially in the months of February and March, when Mars also joins Rahu in your 1st house. Work and money wise, since Saturn is Lord of 10th house, Jupiter is Lord of 11th house and they transit your Bhagyasthan, 9th house, fortune house. So 21 will be favorable period for you professionally. But remember, Jupiter is also Lord of the 8th house. So don't expect things to take place too quickly. There will be unforeseen obstacles sometimes. Again, the months February and March ask you to be in control of your aggression. Friction at your workplace is foreseen. The months from April to September will be good. Some of you may have a chance at change of job, especially towards end of September. For businessmen, though the house of profession looks bright, but Ketu's presence in the 7th house means your equation with your partners, your customers must be given special attention, especially in the months of November and December of 2021. Expenditure wise, the months from Jan to April will be heavy on expenditure. The periods May to November will be much better. During this time window, you will find luck and favor and gain handsomely. So focus on saving money wisely during this particular time. Family wise, this year will be a good period for family largely since planet Saturn and Jupiter transit your 9th house. There will be cooperation and support from family members, especially from seniors. Barring the months February and March, family life should remain smooth. 9th house indicates father. Health of father for a Taurus sign individual needs attention. In the family, children's health will need attention after September. For married individuals, the first part of 21 is not favorable. As Rahu Mars conjunction, there will cause troubles and misunderstandings in relations. Again, your temper and speech will need to be in check. Spouse's health also may need special attention, especially during December. Health-wise, February and March, as I said before, are periods of restlessness. They may not be great for health also. Injuries are also foreseen during this period. Likewise, the end of the year can also prove unfavorable for health. Make sure of eating right and staying away from stressful situations. Gemini sign. Gemini sign individuals will have Jupiter and Saturn transiting their 8th house. Rahu will transit their 12th house. Ketu will transit the 6th house. The year 2021 in terms of work and money may not be a great period at work. Businessmen may face a lot of trouble in going through with their deals. If you are starting any new business venture especially, there is high probability that it may run into hurdles. Consult on your individual horoscope before proceeding in any such cases. For individuals who are doing the jobs, there might be a chance of change of job and conflicts with higher management at workplace. See, Rahu is in your 12th house. It can give you unnecessary expenditures too. You might end up spending huge sums of money, especially on litigation. The best period professionally in 2021 is from April to September. An exception is with people who are employed is the months February and March shall also be good for you if you maintain diplomacy at work. Family, the Lord of 7th house Jupiter visits the 8th house for Gemini sign, so problems at family front are foreseen. Unexpected troubles, especially for married couples, are foreseen. Circumstances shall remain adverse with the placement of Jupiter for most Gemini sign individuals. Try to avoid ego clashes and focus on letting go. The period of April to September will be much better. It is advised for you to visit religious places during this time period. Prayers shall be very effective during this period. If you are planning to conduct any religious ceremony at home, this is a very good period to do so. Health of seniors and children at home shall be of concern. The months July and August particularly may not be favorable. Again, Ketu is in your 6th house, so it activates certain health and relationship challenges, especially for maternal relatives and pets in your house. Health-wise, Rahu in 12th house will be responsible for sleep disorders. Some of you may have skin-related issues too. Jupiter in 8th and Saturn there along with it can cause tiredness to take place. Therefore, related sickness is also seen. Jupiter is Lord of 7th house, so it's not a very favorable time for spouse's health also, especially the last quarter of 21. Cancer sign. For Cancer sign, the major planets Saturn and Jupiter reside in your 7th house mostly, while Rahu and Ketu are in your 11th and 5th house respectively. Money and work wise, for both professional and businessmen, the year is good overall, as you have Jupiter posited in the 7th house with Rahu in the 11th house too. You shall be using your skills and intelligence at work and business and gaining. The only catch is that Saturn too is placed in the 7th house. Therefore, it will make everything a bit delayed and test your patience. So, whether it is profits from work or promotion, there will be delays. Sometimes lack of cooperation from colleagues, and sometimes therefore emotionally draining period can happen. Yet if you persevere, it will be all good at the end. Depending on how your other planets are placed in your horoscope, you may experience varied results. As Jupiter transits your 8th house during the month of April to September, some of you may experience obstacles and loss of job too during that period. A special word to businessmen here: please ensure that misunderstandings with partners do not take place, especially in the months January to May. January to May would be comparatively very good professionally, so would be September to November also. Between May to September, there will be a period of heavy expenditure for businessmen. Be careful with loans. You may face problems in recovering loans if you have given it. Likewise, if you are expecting loans for business, you should also be very clear in the terms and conditions related to it, and then avoid any lack of communication regarding the same. As far as family is concerned, family life will be good overall for Cancer sign individuals, especially the first quarter of the year. Your family will be supportive of you. You will develop a lot of social contacts very well here. But from May to August, this period when Jupiter transits your 8th house, things may not be the same. Health problems to spouse are foreseen during this time. Relations with in-laws may be strained during this time. This May to August window is therefore not favorable for smooth marital life also. From August, it will be a good period again. Those who are expecting a child during this particular period after August will find it very favorable. If you are planning to marry this year, you might want to choose the period before May or after August for the same. Health-wise, for Cancer individuals, your 6th house Lord Jupiter and 8th house Lord Saturn are collectively aspecting your sign, and therefore it may be a worrying factor for you this year. You may experience body pain, tiredness. Some of you could be prone to liver-related problems too. So do take care here. For forecasts related to other moon signs, you can find the link to the video in the description box below. So friends, I hope all of you are able to identify your moon sign and map these predictions alongside. If you have any questions or comments to make, please feel free to write in the comments box below. I'll try and answer that. Also, I am available for a personal consultation and individual horoscope reading. You can submit your details to me at my website www.asksatishlifeguide.com or mail me directly at satishlifeguide@gmail.com. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this particular channel. I hope the year 2021 brings a lot of positivity in all your lives as well as for the entire world. Wish you a very happy and prosperous 2021. Thank you for watching. Take care.